So what's going on with it?
So like she just left
I
here
bought here for a long time.
Oh, how long?
2
More than
years.
6 months.
What? 2 years? It's been
More
sitting
than
here?
2 years. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I moved to
Oh.
Phoenix, but now
Oh, wow.
I have to tow my car to Phoenix.
Oh my goodness.
What's your name again?
My name is Nat, N-A-T.
Nat. Oh,
Yeah,
nice to meet
Nat like the bug, you know, the little bug. Yeah, that's me. So, how long actually has it been sitting here? Seriously?
you. 1 year.
Oh my goodness. All right.
I might need to change the new battery then.
Yeah, you just. I can test it. It's not even gonna test because it's so old. When they sit that long, especially out in the weather, it's gonna be completely dead. I mean, I'll put this on here. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, it's so dead. The good news is it'll take me like 5 minutes to change out the battery. It's very quick. So you're gonna tow this to where? Or are you taking it to where?
Go back to California.
Oh, California. Wow. Okay. That's a big move from here to California.
Yeah. They're coming tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So hopefully that I can make it run by today.
I'll get it running for you.
Thank you so much.
If you want, you guys can sit. You can relax in the BMW while I do this. It'll in the air conditioning. It'll only be a few minutes. Yeah, it says that you paid for the battery.
Can you also help me with the tire? I'm not sure if it runs flat.
Yeah, I'll check the air for you. Yeah, I'll make sure that they're full.
Thank you.
So the last time you even looked at this car was a year ago, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna hope that it will start because the gas may be bad. Well, let me try and start it. If you don't mind, may I? Okay, so there you go. All right, so you're all started. So that's good. We're gonna let this run for a minute and I'm gonna check your air now, okay?
Thank you.
No, you're welcome. This one for you. I know you may never need it because you're gonna be in California,
Thank you so
but yes,
much.
thank you.
I live here. I live in Useless.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, yeah, I used to live in North Thurston Hills,
Okay.
and I help a lot of people in
Great.
Ulysses. I almost said useless like you did.
Yeah.
Well, good luck in California. All right, bye-bye. It was a pleasure.